Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule a bi-weekly meeting in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the calendar feature where you'll be setting up your recurring meeting. Once your email has loaded, navigate to the bottom left part of your screen. You'll notice 4 different icons here. Look for the calendar icon and click on it. This will take you to your Outlook calendar view where you can manage all your meetings and appointments. Now that your calendar menu is open, it's time to create your bi-weekly meeting. Click on the New Appointment button located on the top left part of your screen. This will open a new event window where you can configure all the details of your meeting. Here's where the bi-weekly scheduling comes in. In the new event window, look for the Recurrence button under the Options section and click on it. This feature is what allows you to set up meetings that repeat automatically, saving you from having to manually schedule the same meeting every 2 weeks. An appointment recurrence window will appear. Start by configuring the start and end time of your meeting at the top of this window. Next, in the Recurrence Pattern section, click on the Weekly Radio button. This tells Outlook that your meeting will repeat on a weekly basis, but we need to adjust it to make it bi-weekly. Now, set the recur every field to 2. This is the key step that transforms your weekly meeting into a bi-weekly one, meaning it will occur every 2 weeks instead of every single week. After that, set the date when you want this bi-weekly meeting to start. Once you've configured all these settings, click OK to apply them. You'll now be back at your main appointment window, but this time your meeting is set to recur every 2 weeks. All you have to do now is add in the specific details of your meeting. Start by adding attendees, which are the people who need to be part of this recurring meeting. Then fill in the meeting details, such as the subject line and any notes or agenda items. Don't forget to add the location, whether it's a physical room or a virtual meeting link. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, send the meeting reminder. This will notify all attendees about the bi-weekly meeting that will occur every 2 weeks automatically. Outlook will now handle the scheduling for you, and everyone invited will receive reminders before each occurrence. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a bi-weekly meeting in Outlook that will automatically repeat every 2 weeks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.